Welcome, valued customer.
Boxman.
Professor Venomous. So good to see you.
Please stop.
Yes, well, I'm glad you can make it. Spending quality time with clients is very important to me.
Yeah, we have much to discuss.
Oh, let me get that for you.
Yes, well, organic proved to be more reliable. Especially since, I never got the last robotic shipment.
What? I do apologize. There were errors in the manufacturing process. Entirely out of my control. It wasn't my fault. It really won't happen again.
What was that?
Those vegetables. Yes, from tonight's vegetable medley. Probably boiling over.
Oh, Neil. Come on, we still got work to do. Hey, look at TKO's car.
I think KO's trying to get out. Let's start the show.
Knock it off in there, you.
It's the Voxy Bunch.
Last time on the Voxy Bunch.
Can I get 3 crunch dogs, Supremes, 2 Mitchell twists?
Raymond, get out of the car and go to practice.
So, as you all just saw, the merging of myself and Boxmore has brought many difficult changes, and while most of us have adapted quite well, I realize some of us are still having a bit of trouble.
You're talking about Daryl and Fink, right?
Well,
Yes! It's been a real pain. Which is why Professor Venomous and I have developed an excellent minion team-building strategy that is sure to settle their differences. Daryl and Fink, for the foreseeable future, you two will be sharing a bedroom!
This is the worst day of my life.
Worst day of your life. I'm the real victim here. Your doofus dad is a terrible influence on my boss.
Oh, yeah? Well,
Hey, Fink, what's this cone for?
Someone got worms.
How very disgusting.
Hey, I know what'll cheer you up. This guy.
Sheriff Cowboy Daryl Dad Hat! Oh, how I miss you. The rodeo may be over. Well, we'll go on.
Lame. Didn't anyone tell you? Cowboys blow.
Well, at least I don't have a Lord of the Loot lunchbox.
What's wrong with
Boring! I couldn't get through 5 minutes without falling asleep.
That's because you're weak. Besides, this is where I keep my bestest weapons.
Plasma mace.
Hey, look, it's in rose gold. Go right ahead.
Wow! I've always wanted to play with one of these.